Oh, oh, oh. Maury. 33 islands, 1,000 dreams. Timarawa runs between the seams. Just a breath above the tide, where the coconut whispers on every side. Sunrise calls us to the shore. What the ocean gives, we live for. In the village, the pace is slow. Tomorrow is another day, you know. The ocean is wide, the land is small, but the spirit of Kiribati stands tall. Hear the rhythm, clap your hands. From Tarawa to Land Island sands, the gentle current, the steady beat, moving the sand beneath my feet. We gather close, the darkness falls. All the money Abba is waiting now. Under the high thatch roof we bow. The dancers move like the frigate bird high, strong arms out against the Pacific sky. It's the Kaimoto heart that beats inside. The spirit of the island we cannot hide. Toddy cutter climbs at dawn, long before the sun is drawn. The woven mats are on the floor, stories told of days of war. We honor the elders, respect the kin. Where one ends, another begins. We are the people born from the foam. The atolls are our only home. The pandanus leaves, they make the sail. Our traditional canoe will never fail. Clap your hands. From Tarawa to Land Island sands, the gentle current, the steady beat, moving the sand beneath my feet. We gather close, the darkness falls. All the money Abba is waiting now. Under the high thatch roof we bow. The dancers move like the frigate bird high, strong arms out against the Pacific sky. It's the Kaimoto heart that beats inside. See the future in the waves, a complex relationship that saves and also takes. But our history is written in the dance, a proud, unbroken Micronesian trance. We hold the land though the waters rise, with joy in our hearts and light in our eyes. We are the land and the land is the sea, bound together for eternity. Pacific sky, it's the Kaimoto heart that beats inside. The spirit of the island we cannot hide. We cannot hide. Koraba, for the strength of the land, Maury. From the sea